तरीके से बेहतर जीवन शैली अपनाने के लिए प्रेरित करने के उद्देश्य से एक विशेष कार्यक्रम का आयोजन किया गया। एम्पावर लिविंग और अमशा की ओर से आयोजित इस खास कार्यक्रम का नाम लिव वेल लिव नेचुरली रखा गया। इस कार्यक्रम में दुनिया भर में मशहूर नेचुरल हेल्थ एजुकेटर बारबरा ओनील ने मुख्य वक्ता के तौर पर शिरकत की और उपस्थित लोगों से सीधे बातचीत की। उन्होंने रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी में अपनाए जा सकने वाले बेहद आसान और प्राकृतिक हेल्थ तरीकों के बारे में विस्तार से जानकारी साझा की। बता दें कि कार्यक्रम का मुख्य आकर्षण थी उनकी खास मास्टर क्लास, जिसका विषय द ग्रेट डिस्कनेक्ट, वेट लॉस क्यों फेल होता है और असल में क्या काम करता है। इस सत्र में बारबरा ओनील ने गहराई से समझाया कि हमारे वजन और संपूर्ण सेहत पर शरीर की आंतरिक प्रणाली व खराब लाइफस्टाइल का क्या असर पड़ता है।
What would you say about today's event?
I'm very excited about today's event because I know that people are hungry for truth, and I'm very excited to announce that this excites me, and I have been studying this for almost 5 decades now, and I love the way that the principles are so simple that anyone can understand how to get the most out of the body.
Why is this theme so important today?
It's important today because it involves people, and every single person is very, very important. And so the more people that hear this information, the better.
Is the biggest barrier preventing people from living naturally?
I think one of the biggest barriers is people have got away from their bodies and they know how to read their bodies and not giving their bodies the right conditions. They go to bed too late, they don't drink enough water, they don't take time to exercise and relax.
What does longevity truly means?
Longevity doesn't just mean living longer, it means quality of life.
And how it is possible in today's fast-paced world?
It is possible, and I believe that I'm a testimony for that because I have been travelling 9 months of the year. This is my 6th year, and I know that even when life is busy, you can get to bed early. Even when life's busy, you can drink adequate water. You can take steps to eat better. You can exercise every day.
Empower Living. I'm based in Dubai. We have partnered with the two lovely girls, Anjani and Gayatri, who are the founders of Amsha. The reason why we partnered with them is because the vision and the intention of the event is the same. We would like to create community and the awareness to people to take simple, practical steps towards clean living, healthy, natural living beings. So thank you. Whatever we learn, we like to share that.
I think our objective is just to spread the awareness of how our bodies actually can heal ourselves with simple natural ways. And that's the reason we actually really love Barbara, associate with her, love the learnings, and our entire idea to come together is also to bring it across to all the people. The most trusted voices like Barbara talking about nature and bringing it to all you people. Like she had a simple question about why weight loss doesn't happen even after we go to gym and everything. But then there are many more factors to that, and that's what we need to learn, how we can use our own small home remedies actually to heal ourselves.
Actually, Barbara has been like world renowned, and she has always uh, come out with natural living, and which is the basis of what we also feel and learn, and we have always believed in that. And there's no other better person in the world who can actually go down to a simple layman's level and learn. We can learn from her in the simple layman's level and understand. We So many things are there which we don't understand, but if you attend her any lecture, you will understand even the toughest of subjects very easily. So Barbara was like a dream come true for us to bring her to India.